Hey, Mim. It's not going through. Could you check your machine?
Ah, looks like the machine's acting up. You might have to pay in cash.
Oh no, I wasn't planning on using cash. Is there no other way?
Unfortunately, no. Sometimes the machine gets a little buggy. If it's not working, cash is the only option.
Fine, I'll pay in cash this time. But this shouldn't happen, really. Wait, what? The payment went through? But I already paid in cash. Frustrated, that's double the amount. I need to sort this out. Excuse me, I was here yesterday and I bought some items. My card transaction failed, so I paid in cash, but later, I noticed the amount was still deducted from my account. I'd like a refund, please.
Oh, I see. Let me check our system. Aish, it looks like the transaction didn't go through on our side. It's not showing up in our records.
That's strange because it's definitely showing as processed on my bank statement.
It sounds like there was a glitch with the card machine. Unfortunately, since the transaction didn't reflect in our system, I can't refund you here. You'll need to take it up with your bank to file a complaint for a failed transaction.
But I already paid you in cash. Why can't you just refund me here?
I get that, and I'm really sorry for the hassle, but we can't process a refund for a transaction that we can't see on our system. The best course of action would be to go to your bank and let them know. They should be able to sort it out.
So you're saying there's nothing you can do?
Unfortunately, no. Our hands are tied if the transaction doesn't appear in our records. The bank will sort it out for you. Just explain the situation, and they should reverse the charge.
This is ridiculous. I feel like I'm getting the runaround. It's your machine that messed up, but now I have to jump through hoops?
I know it's a hassle, but this type of error can only be handled by the bank. We've had similar cases before. They should be able to reverse the charge once you file the complaint.
This has been a horrible experience. You're leaving me high and dry here.
I wish I could help more, but we can't refund something that doesn't show up in our system.
I'm not happy with this at all. I'll take it up with the bank. Thanks. Hi, I need help with a double payment issue. I used my card at a shop, but their machine wasn't working, so I paid cash. But later, I saw that the card transaction still went through. I need to get my money back.
Oh, that sounds frustrating. Let me walk you through the process. Could you show me the transaction on your account?
Here it is. This is the payment that shouldn't have gone through.
Okay, I see. First, we'll need to check the transaction details on our system to confirm it was processed. Yes, it shows the payment was successful. You mentioned you paid in cash as well, correct?
Yes, exactly. I ended up paying twice because their machine was faulty.
I understand. Here's how this works. Since the payment was processed on our end, we can't issue a refund directly from here. However, you'll need to file a dispute with us and we'll investigate the transaction.
How long does that take?
Usually, it takes around 7 to 10 business days for the bank to complete the investigation. Once we confirm that the payment was made in error, we'll credit the amount back to your account.
So, what do I need to do to file this dispute?
It's simple. You'll fill out this form stating what happened, that the machine was faulty and you paid in cash as well. Attach any proof of payment, like the receipt from the shop, and we'll start the process right away. You'll also receive a reference number to track the progress.
Great. I'll get the form filled out now. Oh, good. The refund has finally been processed. It was such a hassle. I'm just glad this headache is finally over.